Hello traders. I hope you are doing well. So, today I am going to share with you Forex simple and easy strategy. First we open GBP JPY in 15-minute time frame. This strategy we need KST indicator. This strategy we need MFI indicator with default settings. If MFI indicator, lower black level line MA break downward, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If MFI indicator, upper black level line MA break upward, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to ForexLia.